BMW wants to protect your head using fruit rinds. It's odd how fruits like the pomelo fruit has such a great shock absorption that it can fall from a tree with little to no damage either to the rind or the delicate fruit inside. And yet humans can fall off a faulty picnic table and crack their heads open on the ground on the 4th of July this weekend. But whatever, I mean, he's fine. But it was a lot of blood. Now, not that we're all going to be wearing helmets everywhere we go, though some of us should. Groundbreaking new work out of the BMW-led Bio-Inspired Safety Systems, or BISS Consortium, is hoping to take advantage of a growing safety demand predicted by tech forecasting experts. The consortium, made up of 7 partners ranging from tech companies and sporting goods manufacturers to institutes of textile technology and polymer engineering, has created new prototypes based off of natural models that have yielded products that are 20% lighter, tougher, and more stable than commonly used materials. That means new helmets modeled after fallen fruit, and protective gear for bikers that is modeled after the way an alligator's protective armor distributes force to neighboring scales. Win the day, save the girl. Look dope doing it, that's the one. BMW is hoping the research leads to better safety gear for workers that's inspired by bioengineering. For example, gloves that have a breathable, lightweight design, yet can still protect workers from sharp-edged car parts. Probably using the alligator thing again. But back to the rind. The pomelo rind is an caustic material, which means that it responds differently to pressure than conventional structures. Instead of giving way and becoming thinner under pressure, caustic material compresses and hardens. It even becomes thicker when it's stretched. So the researchers took what they found in these natural caustic structures and are using it for things such as more protective helmets. They even found a way to make it using 3D printing, since manufacturability is one of the greatest obstacles standing in the way of such designs until now. And helmets have never seemed to be more important, as a new study out of the University of Helsinki says that traumatic brain injury is associated with dementia in working age adults. That's scary, as someone who has had a lot of head injuries, if you can believe it or not. Why is it dark in here? Airbus's Helicopter division wants to bring more agility, quality, standardization, and competitiveness to the way that helicopters are made. So, as the company readies a new H160 final assembly line to come online, the company took a chance to show off how the H160 is the first helicopter to be entirely created digitally, from design to production, and even to customer support. The company has done all of this in the same time that it has cut lead time in half. The helicopter is now manufactured in sections that they call Major Component Assemblies, or MCAs. They are produced and assembled around the globe in parallel. Like the blades are made in France, the rear fuselage is made in Spain, and the front and central fuselages are made in Germany, all at the same time. These MCAs are plug and play so customers can customize specific configurations, and all of this work has made it possible to manufacture a fully functional H160 helicopter in 40 days. And I mean, face value, that sounds impressive. You got yourself a full chopper in 40 days, full chopper! Why is it dark in here? Engineer Alex Borg has designed his own vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, and it is loud, if not impressive. According to an article from New Atlas, Borg's new project, which is chronicled on AmazingDIYProjects.com, is called the Chair and is propelled by 76 electric rotors. It takes 80 batteries to get this thing in the air over about 12 minutes. His first flight only lasted 8 minutes, but landed much better than his 8-rotor version that he crashed last year. Also made him make the switch from gas to electric. According to Borg, he was even surprised by the amount of vibration that he experienced in his new seat, which is made out of styrofoam and a piece of fishing pole. Now that's innovative. He also noted that he chose not to fly any higher this time because, quote, "I do not believe in reincarnation." Way to take a stand. I must say that while the design has changed drastically, his safety gear just hasn't at all. Put on a fruit helmet, Alex! On! I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.